It's called the Rakshak Bottle Tower, and it's an innovation proposed as part of the VIKSIT BHARAT initiative, a vision for a developed, self-reliant India. So let's just jump right in with a pretty wild question. What if I told you that just 10 used plastic bottles could save 36,000 liters of water and grow fresh food for a family every single week? It sounds almost impossible, right? Well, according to this project, the answer is a huge yes.
Now, to really get why this idea is so powerful, we first have to understand the challenge it's tackling, a challenge that's at the very heart of building a greener, cleaner India. Think about it. In countless homes, every single day, all that gray water, the pretty clean wastewater from kitchens and washing, just goes right down the drain. It's a huge waste. And at the exact same time, so many families are feeling the squeeze, needing both fresh water and affordable, healthy food. This is the disconnect that the Rakshak project is designed to fix. And the proposed solution to this challenge? It's a beautifully simple and really elegant system called the Rakshak Tower.
So what is it exactly? Well, the Rakshak Bottle Tower is basically a vertical garden that takes that household gray water and recycles it to grow things you can actually eat. It's a system built on one core idea, turning what we think of as waste directly into wealth. And that wealth comes in the form of saved water and fresh, nutritious food. Okay, so one of the best parts about this whole concept is its blueprint. It's specifically designed so that anyone, anywhere can build it, just using local materials and scrap. This really gets to that idea of Atmanirbhar, real self-reliance. And when we say local, we mean it. You can get everything you need from a local general store, a kirana, and a scrap dealer. We're talking about 10 used PET bottles, which are free, some coconut coir, charcoal, a bit of cloth, things like that. And get this. The total one-time cost to build a whole unit is estimated to be just 480 rupees. That's it. And building it is just as easy. It's not some complex engineering feat. It's just 6 simple steps. You prep the bottles, you plant your seedlings like spinach or fenugreek in little side pockets, you create these natural filter layers inside, stack them up, connect your gray water pipe, and plant some vetiver at the bottom. That vetiver is a nice touch. It helps keep everything clean and pest-free.
So you might be wondering, what's the magic here? How does this thing actually work? Well, the science behind it is surprisingly simple because it lets nature do all the heavy lifting. There's no complex machinery involved.
It all works with gravity. Gray water goes in the top bottle. As it flows down, it passes through those layers of coir and charcoal, which act as natural filters, cleaning out impurities. As that water trickles down, the plant roots just soak up all the nutrients and moisture they need to grow. By the time the water gets to the bottom, it's clean enough to support the vetiver plant. And here's the real kicker. This whole system needs 0 electricity and 0 chemicals. It's completely natural and self-sustaining. Okay, so we've seen how it's built and how it works, but now let's talk about the actual impact this thing can have. This is where that waste to wealth idea really comes alive, and trust me, the numbers are pretty staggering.
First, let's talk water. Every single day, one Rakshak tower is designed to recycle 100 liters of gray water. That's water that would have otherwise just been completely wasted. But that recycled water is immediately put to good use. The system can grow about 1 kilogram of fresh, organic leafy grains for a family every single week. Now, when you zoom out and look at a whole year, the numbers get even crazier. A single small 10-bottle tower can save an incredible 36,000 liters of fresh water annually. That is a massive amount of water. And what makes all this even more impressive is the cost. Let's not forget that number. All of this is achieved with a one-time investment of just 480 rupees. It's absolutely amazing. And this whole design is built to scale up. Yeah, one tower on a balcony is great, but imagine a 100-bottle community tower, maybe at a local school or in a housing society. The impact just explodes. You could be recycling 10,000 liters of water a day and saving 3.6 times million liters of fresh water every single year. So really, the vision here is about bringing Swadeshi, local, homegrown innovation to every single balcony and every school. The goal is to empower everyday people to take direct action on 2 of our biggest challenges, saving water and ensuring we have healthy food.